host of other features also that we can discuss more in detail as well. But a quick review on the product portfolio part of it, what products dealing has across over here in the product segment. Okay. So meanwhile, in case if you have any queries related with the product or the discussions that we had, you can please put in the chat window. There is a chat option as well. You can just click on the chat and mention any queries that you have onto the chat section. Okay. So moving on to the next products part of it. So I'll brief what Dealing currently has as a product and then what we are coming up with. Okay. So when we talk about surveillance portfolio, we have IP cameras, NVRs, we have our own cloud P2P server. Then we have the video management softwares that we have. Of course, then the hardware-based server controller that we are coming with, and then we have the VMS alliances that we have partnered with certain good VMS vendors as well. Okay, so what we are currently selling in the IP domain, if you visit Dealing website, you will see below is a list of products which are currently sold as the IP category. So we have the 2 megapixel fixed variants. We have the 2 megapixel Eco series, or I would say a lighter version, which is in the 5 series for 2 megapixel variants. Then we have the 4 megapixel cameras as well. So that's there in the current scenario that we have on the product portfolio. And then we also have Varifocal series with 2 MP as well as with the 4 MP products, which are there with having all the analytical features, DIDO, WDR up to 120 dB supported. The certifications that is required, that is UL, CE, FCC, and BIS that is supported. Plus, we have the PTZ variants as well, which are with the standard 150 meter IR with 4.8 to 125, 129 lens for a good long range distance that we are supported. And the PTZ 3 megapixel with a 12x optical zoom for a small, or I would say a narrow, for a small setup for in the PTZ domain. So this is what currently, if you see Dealing profile looks across. But what we have in the NVR section in a similar manner is with 4, 8, 16 and 32 channel NVRs that are available in the economical series, as well as with the Pro series NVR products that are supported. And then in the RAID version, we have 32 channel as well as with the 64 channel RAID NVRs with 8 SATA hard drives supporting RAID 0, 1, 5, and 10, which is easy supported. The 32 channel NVRs, I would say, are more efficient with the higher bandwidth that is supported onto the device, and support up to 8 megapixel camera resolution for at least, I would say, 8 cameras that is there onto the device. Okay. So that's the current portfolio that we have on the surveillance part of it. But what we are coming up with in the coming quarters is a change in the product and the new variants that we would like to get introduced in the market. So further to adding this, we would like to have classification of Easy and the Pro series of products, wherein we would like to specifically target with the retail markets for as the trend that we see now. IP cameras are also getting into the very local retail market segment as well. So those segment that we would like to target across with the Easy series of products. And then we have the Pro series, which is a combination of basic level of cameras as well as with the Project series of products like the face recognition, ANPR cameras that are available with Dealing. Okay, so that's how the product classification is going to be there. In this, to talk about on the Easy and the Pro series that we have is the small basic series will be with 2, 5, and 8 megapixel resolution products that is available in the small segment with fixed as well as very focal range with IP67, IK10, 250-meter IR support for longer range that may be required. Okay, but when you talk about the high reliability, or you can say the Pro series, okay, those will be having with all features like the SD card, automatic network recovery, then the Starlight kind of a series of cameras, and more importantly, the Pro series products will be all certified. So that is UL or CEFCC, which are the common certifications. But UL will be a certification that is there in the Pro series that is available. Okay, so that's will be the major difference. Plus, to highlight over here, it will be on the WDR. The Easy series will be supporting with the DWDR as a function, whereas the Pro series will be supporting with the true WDR function as the basic requirement. So that's how the products will be classified across in the two categories. And in this categories, just to highlight, I'll show with the pricing, or not the pricing part of it, the basic sheet of the products that is available. So we will be having, like, if you talk about Easy series, the multiple variants of 2, 4, 5 as well, in the fixed as well as in the varifocal series for the products. So this will be ranging from 2.8 to 12 for the manual as well as with the motorized requirement. And then in fact, coming to the Pro series, which is there, so this will be having all the analytical features that is supported, 120 dB WDR as we talked about. Okay, and with the good with lens quality. So what we talk over here want to highlight is with the 2.8 lens. Most of the cameras have 3.6 lens as the standard basic function, but here with the new series we'll be having with 2.8 lens in their dome series. And if you talk about bullet series, that will be available with a standard of 4 lens. So that's how there will be a complete differentiation with the product. And there will be a wide variety of products which D-Link wants to expand. So not only a single product line that will be there, we would be having multiple products in combination with WDR, AWDR, mic, audio, IK10. So all these multiple variants of combinational products will be available as per the requirement that we have. So coming on to the PTZ variant, we'll also having 2MP as well as with 30x, and the new variant that is there in PTZ will be also with 33x. That is the current trend, I would say, in the variant. As well as with the box series of cameras with 120 dB WDR and the smart functions that are supported on it. Okay, so that's going to be the range for the complete product list from the products part of it. What also I would like to highlight on the NVR product portfolio. So just to highlight on the NVR products, you'll be having one SATA support, which is based on the multiple throughputs. So especially I would say ATM kind of an application, or a single small setup that you would like to do across. In such scenarios, right from 40 Mbps to 60 Mbps, that variants we can made available. Plus, with 2-bay, that is 2 SATA, that will also be supported as per the requirement. So with starting very basic from 48 Mbps right up till 160 Mbps support with 8 and 16 channel variants. And 4 channel will be in 16 and 32 channel variants, which is 4 SATA supported. So right up till 320 Mbps support, that is only for the incoming and the outgoing bandwidth supported. Okay, so this will all be with the UL certification for the NVRs as well. So that's going to be a value add for the products where you have a UL certification onto the device also. Okay, so that's how the product portfolio. Last product I wanted to highlight is with the 16 SATA support also, with all 16 hard drives that will be available for us. So these are all the upcoming models from D-Link, which we would be introducing into the market very soon, I would say by mid of I would say next quarter. So that's where these products are getting lined up from our side. Along with the software, we also have the software part of it to control all these devices. So we have currently with the DCMS version where you can manage multiple variants of cameras onto a single platform. But more importantly, we are also coming up with a video management server wherein not only a single device is available, we can have multiple devices that can get connected to it. So this is what to highlight over here, wherein one single cloud server device, or I would say server-based controller, can have multiple devices like the alarm, the access control, the decoders, the cameras, all also with the basic non-dealing cameras also can be integrated with this. So that's going to be, the complete hybrid solution for your entire requirement. So this is good for a large kind of a setup where I can have almost 2000 devices that can be managed through one single controller. So this can be multiple devices that can be controlled through one single hardware. So it's going to be a server-based platform that is inbuilt onto the system. The advantage would be over here, instead of having a third-party server and then the licensing and all other host of activities, all these things embedded in one single box, and ownership also with one single vendor. Okay, so that's the advantage with it. But along with this, we also have other tie-ups as well, where we are engaged with multiple VMS vendors. We have done good projects with Axon, with Milestone, as well as with I2V in many projects that we are partnered with. So any kind of integration of the APIs that is required for the project, we are available to share across with the requirement. Okay, so that's an easy way, to have the complete integration done. So that's going to be a value add for your any of your requirement. Okay. Coming on to the last part of it is why D-Link. Yes, D-Link is there because of the complete solution ownership. So here we just don't want to highlight on the camera part of it. If you have any project, D-Link can be a part of your entire network, which is right from the basic connector that you require in the network till the top of the rack switch, your SDN based switches that are required for your centralized location, chassis based products that are available in the switching solution, multiple surveillance and storage, structured cabling, which is the core strength of D-Link, where we can have any kind of customization done on any cabling solutions that you require. And then last part of it is support, where we have a strong support pan India, where we have multiple service locations, as well as a dealing team that is available in every corner of India. Okay, so that's the value add, I would say, with D-Link in terms of the entire solution, that is available from us. Okay. So I think so. My colleague is being answering to you on all the queries that you have. So just to highlight, easy series of products. Yes, those products don't have UL as a certification. So those are with standard C, FCC certifications only that will be coming up. Okay. So